All right, this quick video, I want to show you how to do a factory reset on any Arris modem or Wi-Fi router. All right, so you're able to tell if it's a modem, if it's got the little coaxial thing here, and if it doesn't have one of these, that means it's strictly a Wi-Fi router. So to reset either or, it's fairly simple to do. Now to do a soft reset, which will fix a lot of problems, the only thing you have to do is simply unplug it from the wall and let it sit for a good 10 minutes, and that's a soft reset. Everything should be working with your passwords and everything once you plug it back in. But that will remedy a lot of the issues with the Arris modem or Wi-Fi router. All right, and then after that, if you want to do a hard reset, fairly simple to do, look at the back of your Arris modem or Wi-Fi router. And there should be like a little reset button back here. As you can see, there's a little pinhole, and usually it'll say reset. And what you do is either, if it's a button, you just hold it down for 10 seconds, or if it's a pinhole like this, you use like a paper clip or a safety pin or small precision screwdriver, and you just press down on it for about 10 seconds, and you'll hear a click, you'll feel it, and you hold that down for 10 seconds and you don't let go. So you count down, and what that's going to do, it's going to make it like it's fresh out of the box, and you'll have to re-look at your password if it is like a Wi-Fi router and not the modem, strictly the modem. Let go, and then it'll start blinking, and it should do a full factory reset. Now, like I said, there should be a password on the bottom of your Wi-Fi routers, and normally it'll go to the default password, which you probably have on most of your devices, like your TV or your laptop or your desktop. But if not, then just look on the back for the password on your Wi-Fi routers. But modems, you don't have to have a password. All right, and that's how you do a full factory restore on any Arris modem or router.